This is farming season in Igbo land. Here she's doing her clearing of the land, as you can see. After clearing, then burning. After clearing, then the next step is how to plant seed. That is yam seed. After clearing of the land, we'll show you how to plant seed. Here, she's trying to plant yam, tubers of yam. As you can see, the ridge is already raised and the yam has been fixed. Yeah, that is the way we do it here. Then cassava, show them how to fix cassava. Yeah, where is the hoe? Get the hoe. Where is the hoe? Get the hoe. I want you to see how cassava is being planted. As Igbo man or woman, you need to know all these things. You teach your children. All this cassava apple you are eating today, the process is this. Akajaja nebute onu manu. You see, I'm using English language so that your children can be able to understand. Look at it, show them the stem. Look at how the thing is being fixed. You look at here, this is where it will spring up from. It will spring up from here. Now, in the next 1 month, I will come back and get you the video of this same place when it must have germinated. Then you see, here we have garden egg and pepper. Garden egg, pepper is called ose. Garden egg, akwa anyara. Then pepper, ose. In the next 1 month, I'll come back again to show you more of this. Like I said here, cassava and yam is being planted here while she's trying to clear this farmland, this position, to be able to make another ridge for cassava and yam. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Igbo amaka, Igbo na atụtụ. Ndị Igbo na atọkwa. Look at the children, they're doing it. As you can see, they are doing it. As onye Igbo Igbo, o kwesịrị ka ị marụ ka esi akọ ugbo. Please try and show your kids this. Abụ na Igbo onye Igbo, kaba arụ gosi nwa gị ka esi akọ Igbo. Look at this. I want to show you this again. This is the yam. Uproot it. Uproot the yam from the...